Hi, and welcome to Engineering Essentials AutoCAD Instruction. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at object snaps. Object snaps are drawing aids that allow you to draw accurately and very quickly. Basically, AutoCAD detects geometric features of existing objects and asks you if you want to snap to that location. For example, you can snap to the intersection between two objects, to the center of a circle or arc, or snap perpendicular to an object. The Object Snap panel is not shown by default, but you can activate it by customizing your user interface through the CUI command. All right, so let's take a look at the geometry that we have on the screen. So if I wanted to draw a line, let's do that, draw a line. If I hover over different geometric locations of these objects, you'll see that we get an object snap marker. So this one here that you see is the nearest snap, then midpoint, then end. If we go to the circle, we can do quadrant, near again, quadrant, or we can do the center point. So there's a center point as well for an arc. All right, so let's use a few and see how they work. Let's say that I wanted to draw a line that goes from this corner of the rectangle to that corner. So I'll draw a line, snap. So as soon as you see that snap marker, you can click and see the other one, and you click. Hit enter to exit the line command, and there you have it. So you can see it's really nice drawing with snaps. All right, so let's draw another line. Let's say that we want to draw a line that's tangent to this circle and goes to this corner of the rectangle. So I'll click on that corner, and then I want tangent, but you see it doesn't show up. So if an object snap doesn't show up right away, you can type it in the command prompt. So I'm going to go TAN for tangent, and then it'll say, okay, tangent to what? And then you can see the tangent mark here. All right, so you can do many things. The Object Snap panel that I mentioned before is right here. Let me drag that out so you can see it. But you can see all of the object snaps that are available. We have temporary track point, we have snap from, end, midpoint, intersection, center, quadrant. So if for some reason AutoCAD doesn't automatically detect these snap points, you can force it to by selecting one of these commands. Now you can also turn the object snap on and off, and that would be down in the status bar. This command here is the object snap. So if I turn that off and then want to draw a line, you see none of the snaps will show up. Turn it back on, and there they are again. You can also change the object snap settings by clicking on the settings command, and you get a window, and it says, okay, well, what object snaps do you want AutoCAD to automatically detect? And you can see the tangent was off, and that's why it didn't get detected. But you can select any or none of these that you want. All right, so that is object snaps. Use them often because they're very useful. And I'll see you in the next episode.